Hi, this is Lee Harrington of the Android and iOS Fight Club, or rather, Pillow Fight Club. And this video is going to be long and rambling because I'm gonna uh, record the process of installing CyanogenMod on my Sprint Samsung Galaxy S3. I've never done anything like this before. I'm sure there'll be uh, starts and stops and things that worked, but if I don't record it at all, then I won't have anything to share with you. So, you know, come on the journey with me. Now, the first thing it says is that you need to update your firmware or else it won't work. And I followed those instructions, which had me bring up some Samsung software, which said my device was up to date. So I'm not going to show any of that, but, you know, they put the warning there for a reason. So, you know, if you're doing this yourself, follow that advice before going further. Alright, so we need to install this Heimdall suite, and I am on Windows, so let me download that. Waiting for it to finish. There, it's done. So I come over to my downloads, and there it is. Let's extract all. And let's see, back to the instructions. You verify I was working by opening command prompt in this directory. Alright, so let's first install the thing. Close these. Not in this. Running. Let's open the README. Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 runtimes. That's what? Let's go back here.
Drive around with it on. What? Just as long as I don't drive around with it on. Yeah.
Let's see if the
I've done that before, that's what I'm saying. Not with that car.
alright, they took me to the same place. To download.
Are you work till 12 today? If you have private.
A newer version of the redistribution has been detected on the machine, so I don't have anything to install. So that wasn't my problem. And yeah, this was the page for the software to update the firmware. But I already did that. So by the way, anybody who thinks that this is as easy as iOS is out of their flippin' mind. Um, you can see how it's thrilling for techies and college students and people with way more time on their hands to babysit their phone. So let's see if there's anything. Extract the Hyno suite, take note of the directory holding. You can verify it's working by, oh, so maybe I'm not supposed to install it. I'm just supposed to, where's my command window? Yeah, let me put that on the pet start. Alright, let's go back here. There it is. Put it up there. Use it a little more. Alright. So where am I? Can I open it from? No open command thing. That would be too nice. So I'm going to move this whole folder. Cut. And let's just go to my E drive. New folder temp. Yeah, paste in there. It says it's running. Crap. So another. Let's go back to downloads. Copy. CD. Ah, that worked. ATIMDL version. Ah, well, there it is. It's up and working. Now you know what I meant when I started the video saying there's going to be stops and starts and stuff, because I'm going to be figuring it out as I go, giving a running commentary. So I have this installed. Download recovery. You can directly download recovery image using the link below. Okay, so I have that actually already opened. And I'm not going to need this tab anymore. Alright. So, the latest. Yeah, by the way, I decided not to do CyanogenMod 13. That's the marshmallow, I believe. It said it was unstable, so you know I'm doing this for the first time anyway. I don't need to add instability on top of that. So now I'm downloading the recovery image. Come on. And I'm going to cut this, and place it. I created a folder called Samsung S3. New folder. Alright. Back to our instructions. So I've downloaded recovery. Power off. So, alright, we'll go power off my device. You can't see me doing that, but just trust me, I am. Alright, I've unplugged it from my machine, I've powered it off. Alright, so I had to boot it into download mode. So hold the home, the volume down. So this is like a Jedi mind trick, and the power all at the same time. That's what I'm doing. I got a warning. Accept the disclaimer, which is volume up. Alright. Then insert the USB cable device. Alright. Alright, we're done with step 4. Run ZEG from the drivers folder. Alright, so I'll go to my drivers folder, double click, say yes. And by the way, you have no idea where the software is coming from, so, you know, I could be installing Chinese or Soviet or NSA spyware. Nothing came up. I've already installed keys. There we go. Select gadget serial control. Alright. Click replace driver. Driver installation has failed. Resource already exists. Alright, I'm going to assume that I'm good. Replace driver. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, to Heimdall, Flash, Recovery. Crap. Let me bring the recovery image over there so I don't have to put a path. I'll copy it and go this computer, drive, temp, Heimdall, paste. Alright. Heimdall. Oh, let me first make sure I put it there. I didn't. Where did I put it? Oh, that's because I didn't. Duh. I was going to put it there and then I didn't because it was already running. Downloads. Here we go. I'm going to put it here. Alright. Look for it again. Oh, there it is. Let's go back to Heimdall, Flash, Recovery, CM tab, no, reboot. Error failed to access device. Isn't that nice? I'm reading here from. Well, let's try. Well, I could search all day, but let me bring up the. Let's see here. I'm still within my 3-day trial of this product, which is the A PowerSoft Phone Manager, which probably isn't running because I'm in recovery mode. Yes, yes, I know. Alright, well, I'm open debugging mode, that's why it's not. Alright, so I guess I'm just going to go through here and try everything. Kernel, recovery, lowercase. Let's get back to our web here. Kernel, recovery, recovery. I've tried them all. Alright, well, I'm going to hit pause because we are stuck, so isn't that nice?